Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all our dear sisters. Today I'm going to share Wazifa to make husband crazy in love with you. Here is dua. Please recite and repeat with me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. ومن آياته أن خلق لكم من أنفسكم أزواجا لتسكنوا إليها وجعل بينكم مودة ورحمة إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون. Dear sisters, before talking about this dua, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to keep watching our content. Actually, dear sisters, the relationship between a husband and wife is supposed to be that a lifetime. A pleased relationship goes well beyond just one lifetime. However, at times this relationship goes through rough patches. As a result, the husband grows distant from the wife. This can make things difficult for the wife as she can sense the husband moving slowly away from her. Are you in that phase of your marriage where that spark, which was when you two had just gotten married, is no longer there? It happens with a lot of couples and it's perfectly normal, but instead of losing all hope, the smart thing is to think about the solution. Wazifa to love your husband and to resolve problems between your husband and wife. The blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is essential for every wedding life. You must believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and pray to Him for His gifts daily. So here is Wazifa to make husband crazy in love step by step. Number 1, start this Wazifa after any salah. First make proper wudu. Number 2, now take half glass of Zamzam water. Number 3, then recite Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim 200 times. Number 4, now take 5 Almighty Allah names 15 times. الرحمن الرحيم الملك القدوس السلام, and then recite يسبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض الملك القدوس العزيز الحكيم. Isn't the paradises and whatever is on the planet is elevating Allah, the sovereign, the pure, the exalted in might, the wise. Repeat 50 times. Finally, blow on that glass of Zamzam water and give it to your husband to drink. Do this Wazifa for 1 month at least and pray to Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for both of you to rebuild love between you. Whatever benefit you have is from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Inshallah, when you try this Wazifa to make husband crazy in love for the specified period, you will see that your husband has started to fall in love with you. Inshallah, any hurdle that might have been standing in the way of your love will automatically be removed. Perhaps he is under much stress because of work, or maybe some financial burden in chipping away at his peace of mind. Therefore, if you want to gain excellent mental clarity and work yourself out of any trouble in life, make sure to perform namaz every day. وَمَا تَوْفِيقِي إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ. If you want any help, you can contact us, and for more detail you can visit our website. Jazakumullahu khair for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.